Okay, so in order to remove these bolts, which are very, very hard to get to, it's a very tight space, you want to get the 12mm bit. This one is 10 and 12, but I recommend using 12 the all way through. Then you will want to fit this in here. This is pretty hard to do with one hand. Please let me test all this. Oops. Okay. So you want to put it like that. You can use a deep 12mm box wrench. Oh well, now I won't be able to get it on there, but I think you understand. Yo, yeah, like this. Put it on like this, and you get it to the right angle. That, and then you can use a wrench extender, and you put it on like this, and then you will be able to get them off. This is the best way. And after you have done that, whatever, you will want to remove these braces. And those bolts are 14mm. Use a socket wrench. And you also want to take these off. It's 10mm nuts. And when you're screwing them out, you just pull this downwards. Oops, like that. And you remove those. And you remove this brace. Like on this side, I have removed it. This is so that you can, when you pull this differential down, you'll have easier access to these drive shafts. And also, you want to remove the rear exhaust axle. It's just 2 bolts, and then the rest is hangers. 2 hangers here, and we have 1 hanger here, 1 hanger here. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for that part. Okay. Okay, so in order to remove these axles, you must pop out this tie rod on both sides, or I can guarantee you that you will not get it out, because you need to have this wiggle room. I also unbolted the control arms from the hub. You don't need to disassemble it from the subframe. That is unnecessary. And in order to get these axles off, I use a slide hammer. You should really get the Amazon adapter. It's called the CV axle remover, and it's shaped like a claw, and it fits around perfectly. I had a hell of a struggle to get this off, because when you put this, you should put it in the groove. I can show you here. In this groove. Yeah, you can see I've beaten it here, but it just slips off all the time. So finally I had to wrap a nylon strap around this cone part here, in between there and the diff, and I pulled it right here, and I yanked the nylon strap as hard as I could multiple times, and eventually I got it out. This is the C-clip, which is your enemy, which keeps holding it in and pushes it back into the diff when you try to yank it out. So this is what you need to overcome. You can see the drive shaft. when taking this out, you should pull down these pins or tabs. I used this plier like this, pin punch, put it there, hammer it down flat like this, so that you can take your impact wrench and take those bolts out. And it's very important to remember which shims go to which side. So put it by the side it's supposed to go in. These ones goes over these. This shim goes like that, outwards. And the part on the small shim, fin shim, the more coned edge you can see there is supposed to go outwards. Same thing on the other side. The more coned part is going outwards. Now those tabs are going outwards as well. Öppen diff, nej tack. Ja, bra den här rackaren.